Hey guys, it's February 8th, 2013. The day after Nemo. All the cars are pretty much buried. Whew. Don't know how many inches or feet of snow we got. Can't even see my car. Alright, time to go shovel. I'm stuck! I kind of finished just shoveling this pathway. And there's a lot more shoveling to do. Not too cold outside. I mean, once you've been outside for a while. Oh, I'm falling. The power went out. So the freezer is obviously not working. So we use the ice outside to prevent our ice cream from melting. There's no power, no electricity, which is alright, it's fine. We're walking to the store right now.
What should we get? Cranberry?
Just regular cranberry, it's fine. Watch out.
That's just regular cranberry.
How much did she give me?
10.
I'll buy another one.
What else do we need? We're at Walgreens right now and there's no lights in here. I'm right here, Kev.
I can't use a card. I can only take that.
Jasmine's pet tiger.
Raja! I got it.
Hey, Caroline, you said it too slow. Caroline, do
Raja.
It's Raja!
Alright. Ready? And Peter Pan, Captain Hook had a hook on which one of his
Left!
Yes.
I said it first.
No way!
I said it!
I said it way.
I was way ahead of that.
Before Mickey Mouse, what Disney character was suggested to be the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia?
Oh, I remember
Donald.
this one. It was...
No, before Mickey Mouse.
It was Donald Duck, wasn't it? It was Goofy.
Nope.
Pluto.
Donald Duck. Pluto.
Wrong one. Wrong movie.
Tazzy.
Don't say it.
Before Mickey Mouse, which Disney
Minnie Mouse.
character was suggested to be the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia? Hint, it's a fairy tale character.
Donald Duck.
Tinkerbell.
Peter Pan.
Donald Duck.
It's a fairy tale?
It's about a princess.
Cinderella. Snow White.
No,
Jasmine.
no, you're never gonna get it.
Beauty. Sleeping Beauty.
Dopey.
The Toad.
Dopey?
Dopey. Hello. She's not a...
Nobody
Dopey's not
would
a
watch
princess. We're walking to go get some breakfast.
Well, everything's supposed to melt tomorrow, though.
It's supposed to rain. The temperature's still high.
So flooded.
If the temperature's higher, at least it could melt away some snow.
No, because the temperature's like 40. Oh, it's gonna freeze at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, no good.
No good, no good. Everybody's walking right now. Which they should be doing every day. When we're kids, we can be like, back in the blizzard of 2013, we walked 5 minutes to get some breakfast.